Look no further than the 2020 Honda Civic. With less than 25,000 miles on the odometer, this vehicle provides excellent value. Experience the perfection that is the Civic sedan. Smooth, efficient, sporty, aggressively powerful, loaded with the latest technology and refined style. The following are some of this vehicle's highlighted options: keyless entry, adaptive cruise control, electronic stability control, tire pressure monitoring system, trip computer, power windows, bucket seats, four-wheel disc brakes, power steering. Don't settle. Get into the automotive icon that has earned its reputation for excellence over and over again. Drive the Honda Civic sedan.